Hey guys and gals, today we're going to be going over how to change out your Glowplug module on your Mercedes X164. Here is what your module looks like. And if you want the part number, there it is right there. And it can vary a little bit depending on your make and model. Why would you want to change your Glowplug module? If you are in a diesel vehicle and it has trouble starting, it's likely one of two things, either the glow plugs themselves or the Glowplug module. So to get started, we're going to go ahead and remove our cover. Go ahead and go over tools for the job real quick. You're going to want an E10 torque socket and preferably some sort of flexi extension, and then perhaps a pick or a flathead screwdriver. So here is your Glowplug module. If you take the new one, you can kind of see how it is oriented in there. So we will be removing the bolts and accessing our old module. So we've got this bracket right here, and it's got 4 E10 Torx bolts. Good. Pull that back. I'll remove that to be able to access these 2 bolts. For reference with the bolt, you've got 1 long one, 2 medium-sized ones, and 1 short one. These correspond up here. You can see this goes down there, so that is your long bolt. And then you've got medium, medium, and then that one back up there is the short one. And now you can move this bracket and access our Glowplug module. We can just slide out right here. So you can see here, here's our old one. Here's our new one, and you can see it's held on there, there, and on the side here. So go ahead and remove those and we will replace it with our nice fresh new one. So pro tip for these clips, I like to sometimes use a pick or a flathead screwdriver. You can see here, that's what your connection looks like. And now we'll just go ahead and take our new one and plug it in. So we'll clip that one in. And we're going to connect this one. You can see everything's connected there. So now we just have to bolt everything back together. Alright guys and gals, so you can see there when you reinstall it, you probably want to do the long bolt, the medium-sized bolt, then the short bolt, and then the final medium-sized bolt, just because otherwise you'll end up hitting this bolt while you're trying to install that one. And then you just clip this back in and clip that hose back in, and you'll be all done. Time to test it. And then you just need to reinstall your cover. Alright guys and gals, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd really appreciate it if you would like and subscribe. It really helps the channel out and it costs you nothing. So thanks again, and we'll see you next time.